Hello YouTube. Today I want to talk a little bit about the problems I have with this Milwaukee impact gun. This is an M18 fuel brushless. The model is 2861/20. I bought it for a year and a half, and the problem started almost immediately. I think about after 4 or 5 weeks, and the problem is it's not changing the direction. Push the direction button, nothing happens. And I push this button down here, nothing happens. Unsquealing noise, if you can hear it. It's very annoying. So if I want to change the direction, I have to push the direction button here and take the battery off, put it back on, and then it will change the direction. So I went to my local store. I asked them if they can fix it. I have warranty, of course, and they denied to fix it because the warranty doesn't apply here, because this is not a European product. If you are familiar with this mark here, I have another Milwaukee product. This is a grinder, M18. This mark here, CE, this is French and stands for Community European or something. European Community at English, I think so. So this mark, it's not on this product here, because I bought it on eBay from United States. So I watched a video on YouTube. A guy who had similar problems, but it was a Milwaukee impact gun, but it was a smaller one. And what he did, it's to take this cover off, and clean the switch button in there. My cat in the way. Come on. Clean the switch button inside and put it back together, and it works. And I tried to do same thing. Take this cover off and clean the switch button in there, put it back together, and nothing happens. The problem remained the same. As you can see, the cat is as you can see, nothing happens. I can push the direction button, nothing happens. Direction is the same. I find it a little difficult to take the battery off and put it back on every time I want to change direction. You know, when if I want to fix my car, if I go under the car and fix it, you know, it's a little bit difficult. So that's why actually I make this video, to ask people in the YouTube world if there is somebody out there with same product with similar problems. So please let me know. It can be as simple and it can be difficult. Maybe there is some parts in there which needs to be replaced. I don't know. So As you can see, it's not an old product, it's a new, not worn out, as you can see. You know, I just use it for my for my own. I'm a private person, so I'm not working at shop, or I'm not using to industrial project. So I bought it for around $200 without a battery, of course, and yeah, it's a compact product. It's good product, powerful, but this problem makes it difficult to use it. Yes, so please let me know if you have the same problems, and I will appreciate that. Thank you.